We all know that moving house is one of the most stressful experiences we have to put ourselves through, but one thing is certain, you're going to need a fully licensed, insured and professional firm to carry out the job. You're going to need Mr. Shifter Removals. It all starts with a simple phone call to our friendly, helpful team, where they can quickly establish the service you're going to need. From there, we'll organise a home survey at a time that suits you. When you meet your home surveyor, they'll go through each room thoroughly and assess the size and scale of every item in order to provide you with an accurate, free quotation and a moving plan that will help the day go as smoothly and as stress-free as possible, keeping you informed every step of the way. Mr. Shifter Removals can provide you with the easiest and most secure way to move, whether you're moving across the street or across the country. Our removal teams are efficient, hard-working and make moving look easy. Everyone is trained to an extremely high standard, which means that even though we're fully insured, you can rest easy that you and your belongings are in safe hands. With dedicated furniture removals and with all the packing boxes and materials you'll need, we have everything covered. We're proud to be the firm of choice for both domestic and commercial moves throughout North Wales and Chester. So for a fully insured and professional move, speak to the experts today. Call Mr. Shifter Removals or discover our website to find out more.